Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic mobile operating system. Mobile operating system is the software that runs on mobile device like smartphones. It controls the mobile phone's hardware and let you use application, browse internet and make calls and take photos. A mobile operating system is the system software that acts as a middleware. It connects the uh, physical hardware of your mobile phones like the processor, camera, and battery to the application you can use every day. First, it manages the hardware, controlling the memory and sensors. Second, it runs the application, providing the platform for developers to build on. And third, it enables the interaction, delivering the smooth touch and gesture interface we rely on. So, hardware communicates through the operating system to run the application. The major mobile platforms nowadays we are looking at the market. Two platforms dominate over 99% of the world smartphones. On one side, we have an Android developed by the Google with around 70% of global market share. It is an open source, meaning manufacturers like Samsung, OnePlus can use and modify it. On the other side, we can have the iOS used by the Apple holding around 29% of market share. Unlike Android, iOS is a closed proprietary platform built exclusively for Apple's iPhone. So every mobile operating system is built-in layer from the silicon to the screen. At the bottom of the layer is kernel. This is the core layer that talks directly to the hardware. Above that is middleware and libraries. It provides services for graphics, security, and data storage. So next one is the application framework, which provides APIs that developers use to build their applications. Finally, we can have the applications layer, which is the interface you can interact with the application. Every action you take goes down to the hardware and back up through these layers. Key features of the mobile OS is the modern users expect a lot from their devices. A mobile OS must deliver a touch interface for the gesture navigation. It needs connectivity for Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, and GPS. It requires an app store as a marketplace for safe downloads. Next one is the notification. Provide real-time alerts and background updates. Security is essential. It utilizing the sandboxing and permissions to protect your data. And finally, the power management. So it is the critical for optimizing battery life. Without these features, a smartphone would not be smart at all. Where the mobile OS is headed, the next generation of the mobile platform is already taking shape. On device AI means a smarter assistant that runs locally, making them faster and more private. Next one is the foldable displays. It's forcing OS designs to adapt to the flexible screen size. So next one is the 5G and 6G connectivity are enabling the richer real-time experience without any lagging. And finally, cross-device ecosystems. It is creating seamless continuity between your phone, watch, and personal computers. These innovations are not just futures, they are already taking shape today. Thank you all.